Locksmith Monkey, working on a 2003 Honda Element. No uncommon problem on those vehicles. Laser cut key doesn't even fit all the way in the hole, does not turn on the door. He called us because the ignition doesn't turn as well. No uncommon problem with that. We gave him a price. He wanted to fix only the ignition. We're going to fix the door and the ignition in one price. That way our customer is going to be happy. I will update you with picture. Have a good day. This is a continuous video. 2003 Honda Element. Door lock didn't work, ignition didn't work. Known problem on a Honda 2003 and up. Working. Working. That's the quality of work, customer service you can expect from Locksmith Monkey 24/7 in Portland, Oregon. Thank you.